Hi sir, how are you doing? I hope your day is going great. So today I would like to demonstrate my presentation for the Reminder app. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, first of all, I would like to explain the purpose of the app. So the purpose of the app is to remind the user of his or her task. The app will allow the user to add multiple events or tasks, which I will show in few seconds. And the third thing is that I think it's a small version of the Reminder app which we use for the club meetings, like the reminder of all the Zoom meetings and stuff. Let's get into the next slide. So over here. So the variable which I used for the app is the name of the first variable is subka unit and the name of the second variable is index. So I used these two variables throughout the program, and let's get into the next slide. So yeah, this slide is about the event handler. So basically the event handler will help to add items in the app. The update karo, the update karo is the name of the update screen, and this update screen allow us to implement our desired input. I will show the code in few seconds. Yeah, so here is the link to the Reminder app, and yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, here is the app. So suppose if I want to like add a reminder for my APCSP work. So I added this event, and yeah, so yeah, as you can see, this is the reminder name and this is the reminder serial number. So suppose if I like to add more events or more tasks, so suppose right now let's add a push work. Let's add it. So if I would move the serial number to number 2, it will show me a push work, and this is how this app works. And now let's move into the code, which is the most important part. Yeah, so here is the code. And as I said to you that I used two variables in this app. The first variable is subka unit and the second variable is index. And let's get into the event handlers. So there are three event handlers in this app. The first event handler is operating the add button, which is this one. uh, so basically if I would say APCSP work, this add button will help me to get my task into the app. And the second the event handler is the left button. Now the left button will help me to change the serial number, but in order to do that we need to have more than one event. So let's do it one more time. A push work. So if I would like to get into the next next task, I would use the right button, and if I would like get back into my first task, I would use the left button. So basically these two event handlers are used for this task. And the most important thing is the function. So as I told you, I used the name of the function as update karo. And here are this is my function. I used this function is helping me to get the output of the reminder and the count output. So I think that is it, and I hope you like the presentation. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.